My boyfriend answers phone. Torture chamber, may I help you? Me, I answer my phone. City morgue. You stab him, we slap him. But, as I was saying, I'm outside and I'm totally slap happy. Okay, not really that much slapping, but a lot of slap happy. Very happy in an inch of a sugar rush. An inch. See what I did to my eyelashes today? They're like a pinkish white. But aren't they pretty? Like a pinkish white. Yep. Well, to check out more of my videos, so I can put one up how to do this. That emo makeup or whatever you want to call it makeup. I can do a video to show you how to do it. But if you want to see the rest of my videos, go to LIZZZZ. 4 Z's. The number 10, the actually 110, like it's a 1 and a 0, and that's it. And then girl. I should have a lot more videos there. I do have makeup videos. I don't have music videos, but I'm trying to do them, okay? Now search up L. I lost what I was going to say. Search up LIZZZZ 10 girl. Liz 10 girl. Search it up. Watch my videos. Peace out, y'all. From Lizzie Girl.